Before we get started, pause the video and gather these materials. Make sure to ask an adult to help you with your investigation.
Super simple science. Fair forces. When you play games at the fair, you use forces to move balls, beanbags, and rings. But to win a game, you have to apply a force that has just the right strength and direction. Step right up, try your luck, and win a prize. You are at the fair, ready for fun. While heading for the roller coaster, someone calls out to you from a game booth. The game looks very easy. Why not give it a try? Carnival games at fairs and amusement parks look very easy. All you have to do is knock over a tower of tin cans or throw a ball in a bucket. But carnival games are not always as easy as they appear. You can spend hours playing a game and still not win a single prize. But it is possible to win if you put the right forces to work. One ball. Your first stop is a game called One Ball. In this game, you must knock over 3 bottles with just one toss of a ball. You aim for the spot where the bottles meet and throw. Direct hit, but only the top bottle goes flying. The other 2 bottles wobble, but stay standing. Why does this happen? You might think that you should hit all 3 bottles with the ball, but the bottles are heavier on the bottom than they are on the top. The heavy bottoms make the bottles hard to topple. So what should you do? To topple the tower, you have to apply a force to the place where the 2 bottom bottles touch the platform. You also have to throw the ball so that it hits the bottles with a very strong force. If the force is strong enough, they will fall. The top bottle will then fall too. Fluky ball. The next game you try is called Fluky ball. In this game, you have to toss a ball so that it hits a board and then lands in a basket. It looks just like basketball, so it should be easy, right? The board in Fluky ball is not like the one in basketball. Instead, it is tilted upward, so when the ball hits the board, the force pushes the ball up and away from the basket. The secret to winning the game is to toss the ball upward so that the ball travels in an arc. If you throw the ball correctly, it will just brush the bottom of the board on the way down. The small force causes the ball to land in the basket. But you have to toss the ball gently. If the ball hits the board too hard, the force will be too strong. The ball will then bounce away. Squirt blaster races. The last game you try at the fair is called Squirt Blaster Race. In this game, you aim a stream of water from a blaster at a target. When you hit the target, a toy horse moves along a track. The horse that reaches the end first wins. Once again, forces are key. But this time, a blaster applies the force. Before you play, watch other people play. Observe the water coming out of the blasters. Find the blaster that pushes water out with the strongest force. A blaster that shoots with a strong force throws the water farther. That makes hitting the target easier. As you can see, games at fairs can be tricky. But knowing about forces can help you win. When you see people who have won big prizes at the fair, they might not be athletes. Instead, they might be scientists who know about forces.
See for yourself. Follow the instructions to make your own observations.